Now we're going to reassemble pretty much in the same order that we disassembled, just in reverse. Take the regulator and the gas tube and all that, put that in its place. Then take the power tube and insert it into the regulator. Like so. Take the bolt, put it on there in place. Put on the bolt spring. And then the bolt housing. This is kind of where it gets finicky. Kind of just pop the power tube out a little, and then put in the bolt housing, and try to get it onto the paintball detent there. Now what I like to do is look through the bottom where the paintballs would come through, and when you look through you can, I don't know if you can see it or not, but on this side you can see that that's where the detent goes into, and looking through the bottom you can see where the detent fits in. So once you have that done, you kind of just put in the bolt with your third hand, like so. And then just put the bolt or the barrel in its own little fitted spot there, and it'll kind of just hold everything in, but it'll be kind of a spring there. Make sure you put in your little paintball window, which is a stupid little piece. Fucking dang. You really don't even need that piece. And then put back on your CO2 plug, and you'll see that there's holes in the side. They go pretty much, they're fitted in one way, so you can't really mess that up. So once you have everything in there, barrel and all, make sure your detent's seated properly. And then just slip on the other half. And then everything should just snap into place. You shouldn't have any gaps really anywhere. Okay. And then what I like to do when putting it back together is start from the top middle. So take your top metal screw and just insert it in there. Now what you might have to do is push back on the barrel a little, the barrel housing, and it'll seat it properly. And then you can get the screw in there, no problem. And then just screw it in tight. And do whichever way you want. You can either do the front or the rear, and then just insert them. Once you have the top three in, you can go ahead and just insert the other 4 screws into their correct spot. And it's completely put back together, so now you can just put in your CO2 plug. Make sure that goes in there. The barrel. Now it's pretty snug, so you're gonna have to kind of slide it in there with a little bit of force. Screwed on there. And then input your mag there. And there you go. That is how to disassemble and reassemble the TPX. Thanks a lot, guys.